Hello, it's another Tuesday, which means it's time for another singing assembly. Thank you for coming, everybody, and thank you for sitting so nicely. Well done. We're going to sing 3 songs this week, and one of them was a request. It was a request from some of the children in Robin class, and we sang it in their assembly, so that'll be a nice thing. We'll do that one second, I think, and we'll do If All the Raindrops, and we'll finish with a new one. But before that, we better warm up our voices. Now, some people got in touch and they said that Mr. Dempsey's bit last week and the week before was a little bit inappropriate. And I've listened to that and I think maybe they're right. So this week, Mr. Dempsey won't be with us, which is if that makes you sad, I'm sorry about that, but that's how it is. But anyway, let's warm up our voices. Get ready. Lift up your shoulders, drop them down. Lift them up and drop them down. Are you ready? Let's sing some broken chords, shall we? La 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 la. What's that? Ow, what was that? Did you see anything? I don't know. Maybe I imagined it. Where were we up to? La 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 la. Keep with me. La 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 la. No la 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 la. Mr. Dempsey, what are you doing here? Mr. Dempsey, what are you doing with that? What are you doing with that ukulele? Ow! Mr. Dempsey, come here. I am trying to do a very sensible and serious singing assembly with the children. What are you doing here messing about? Are you feeling left out? Do you want to join in? Okay, look. Okay, so we'll do our first song. Come on, Mr. Dempsey, come in beside me. We'll do If All the Raindrops Were Lemon Drops and Gumdrops. And when it gets to that, Mr. Dempsey, would you like to do that bit? Yeah. Let's hear. Can you do? Let's hear you. Yeah, well, it's not great, but it's going to have to do. Come in a little bit closer, Mr. Dempsey, so the children can join in. They'll take their tip from you. Ready, everybody? We'll maybe do it twice. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be! Standing outside with my mouth open wide. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Okay, well, that's enough of you, Mr. Dempsey. Come right in. Come in. Come on, Mr. Dempsey. Mwah. See you later. Go on. Maybe see you next week. If you promise to behave, will you behave? Will you? We will find out. Okay. Well, let's see if we can do our second song, shall we? That was great. Wow, who knew that Mr. Dempsey could sing as nicely as that? I didn't know he could sing like that. Okay, well, here's the song. Mr. Dempsey's struggling down there. Second song was requested by the Robins. Now, they sang it in their sang it in their assembly. We didn't teach it to you then. No, I'm just going to do the one bit for you. Just you're going to spell out the word love. Can you spell love? L-O-V-E. We're using the letter names, not the letter sounds. If you can do that, then maybe we'll do that. And if I sing it twice, perhaps you'll learn enough to join in. If you're a Robin, you probably know it already. And if you like it, of course, you can always back the video up and take it from there. Larkrise Primary School. O is for the original things we do. V is very, very extraordinary. E is everyone here in this school that we adore. Love is what we can give to you. Love always till the day is through. Speaking, laughing, learning, all the while the world keeps turning. Love from Larkrise School to you. Did you get it? Next time through we'll have another go. Yeah? Okay. Remember the L.O.V.E, that's probably the easiest bit. Well, here we go again. Oh, L is for Larkrise Primary School. O is for the original things we do. V is very, very extraordinary. A is everybody here in this school that we adore. Love is what we can give to you. Love always till the day is through. Speaking, laughing, learning, all the while the world keeps turning. Love from Larkrise School to you. There you go. I think Mr. Dempsey has gone now. If you liked that one, say a big well done to Mrs. Marriott. I think Mrs. Marriott wrote it, or was it all the Robins working together? I don't know. Maybe the Robins did teach her to it. I don't know. Anyway, I learnt it from Mrs. Marriott. She sent me a little video. You've been singing very nicely. I thought I might read you a poem while you get your breath back. And it's a poem by a poet called Coral Rumble, which I think is a good name for a poet just to start off with. Coral Rumble is her name. And this is a lovely poem. If you're feeling life's a little bit difficult, or if you're feeling everything's a bit too overexciting, then this poem is a lovely calming poem. It's called Rustle, Pitter-Patter, Trickle. In my bag of gentle sounds I'll place soft words, downy and round, words that never cut or slice, words as smooth as polished ice. I'll start with feather, whisper, ripple, rustle, pitter, patter, trickle. I'll drop in murmur, shell and sea, then fur, sing, sail, along with bee. And when the world around me jangles and people speak words with sharp angles, I'll open the drawstring, let syllables fly, disarm spite's shout with the wisp of a sigh. I can hear a noise in this room, and it does sound like Mr. Dempsey's trying to creep back up on me. He won't come back till the end of this song. Maybe he'll be with us just to say goodbye at the end. Here's a song we used to do in Singing Assembly a while ago, and I don't think we've done it for a bit, and I thought it might cheer us up. It's called Happy Song. It's not actually, it's called Roller in the Coaster, but I call it Happy Song. And the chorus, which you can easily sing with me, is, well, here's a happy song. You can sing along, don't mind the road up ahead. Might be a rocky one, then we'll get it done, and we'll roll around the coaster and shine in the sun. So that's, well, here's a happy song. Well, here's a happy song. You can sing along. You can sing along. Don't mind the road up ahead. Don't mind the road up ahead. We'll sing that whole bit. Well, here's a happy song. You can sing along. Don't mind the road up ahead. Okay, got that bit? Might be a rocky one. Might be a rocky one. But we'll get it done. But we'll get it done. Then we'll roll her in the coaster and shine in the sun. Sometimes I don't sing might be a rocky one. I say might be a lovely one, or might be a funny one, or might be something. Oh, you can watch out for what I sing. But might be a rocky one. We'll get it done, and we'll roll her in the coaster and shine in the sun. But anyway, there's the chorus. If you like it, you can back it up and sing it with me. I'll start with the chorus to get you into it. Well, here's a happy song. You can sing along. You won't mind the road up ahead. Might be a rocky one, but we'll get it done, and we'll roll her in the coaster and shine in the sun. Well, I know, you can tiptoe everywhere you go, or you can laugh and stomp and dance and sing and go out where those wild things are. Here's the chorus, and you sing this happy song. You can sing along, won't mind the road up ahead. Why, it's a lovely one, and until it's done, we'll just roll her in the coaster and shine in the sun. Oh my, you can try to be all cool and subtle, but I recommend rainboats, snowsuits, big hills and puddles, and lots of cuddles. So you can sing this happy song. You can sing along. Don't mind the road up ahead. Might be a rocky one, but we'll get it done, and we'll roll her in the coaster and shine in the sun. And when it rains, you can stay inside in your PJs and your slippers, or you can call up a friend, say, hey, let's get wet in our raincoats and our flippers. We'll tell the whole wide world about this happy song. You can get along. Might be a road up ahead, might be a rocky one, but we'll get it done, and we'll roll her in the coaster and shine in the sun to this happy song. You can sing along, won't mind the road up ahead. Might be a lovely one, we'll get it done, and we'll roll her in a coaster and shine in the sun. Well, it's another Tuesday, and it's goodbye from Mr. Dempsey, who managed to get in the show anyway. From Mr. Dempsey and from me, I hope you have a lovely week. I'm afraid it's time for us to go. Bye. Say bye-bye, Mr. Dempsey. Bye.